use to get rid of your acne overnight. But before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Often due to changing weather and your unhealthy habits, you end up getting these bumps on your face. So we thought of giving you some amazing hacks which you can use to get rid of these bumps overnight. So let's get started. For the first remedy, we're going to use some cloves and some honey. Now we'll make a fine paste out of the cloves like this and take 1 teaspoon of honey and mix both the things well. Once the paste is ready, just take it on your fingertip and apply it on your pimple and let it rest for good 40 minutes. Once it's dry, wash your face with normal water. The next remedy is the easiest one. For this, we need one toothpaste. But make sure you're using the white toothpaste and not any other colored one. All you have to do is just take a small amount of paste on your fingertip and apply it on your pimple. And let it rest for good 45 to 50 minutes. Once it's done, just wipe off your face with a clean cotton cloth. For the next remedy, we need some sandalwood powder or chandan powder. I'm using the one which is easily available in the market. You can also use the one which you use for puja, but make sure it's not the scented one. Now the next ingredient is gulab jal. We'll take 1 teaspoon of gulab jal and add it in the powder and mix it well. Make sure we make a thick paste. Once the paste is ready, take it on your fingertip and apply it on your pimple and let it sit for 20 to 25 minutes. Once it's dry, just wash your face with normal water. For the next remedy, we need some cinnamon sticks and some honey. Now we'll make a fine powder with the cinnamon sticks like this and add 1 teaspoon of honey in the powder. Mix it well. Once the paste is ready, just take it on your fingertip and apply it on your pimple and let it sit for good 40 to 45 minutes. Once it's dry, just wipe your face with clean cotton cloth. Use any of these remedies at least 1 hour before going to bed and get visible result the next day. I hope you liked the video guys. Thanks for watching.